Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Whether you are just starting out or looking to grow your online store, our channel Electrifying Commerce is here to guide you every step of the way. Get access to expert tips, proven strategies, and insider secrets that will help you build a profitable e-commerce business. From finding winning products to scaling your store, we have got the knowledge you need to succeed in the online marketplace. Why wait? Start earning online today and achieve the freedom you deserve. Subscribe to Electrifying Commerce for weekly videos that will turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Click that subscribe button and let's get started.